Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add or create a knowledge base article template in BoldDesk. I'll also show you how to manage and use existing article templates and how to enable the permissions required to create, manage, and use article templates. Knowledge base article templates are predefined sections of content organized in a specific order. The template helps store the typical article structure, which will be reused for article creation without starting from scratch. They also improve efficiency and have a consistent structure for the KB articles. They serve as a foundation for creating various articles, including FAQs, product documentation, and more. An agent can add and manage article templates based on permissions assigned to their roles. To learn more about how to manage roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the documentation link in this video's description. System roles like account owners, support administrators, and support managers, by default, have the permission to add, edit, and delete article templates. Users who have an agent role do not have such permissions. However, you can create custom roles and enable the required permissions. Now, let's see how to enable the permissions required for an agent to add and manage an article template. First, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the Admin module and click Roles and Permissions, which will open the default roles listing page. Next, click the Create Role option, and a new role and permission configuration page will open. Under the KB module Permission Configuration, enable the Template option and select the required permissions for the role. Now, let me show you how to create an article template. Navigate to the KB module and click on the Create button. Then, select the template option from the drop-down. A page to create a new article template will open. Here, give the template name and set its visibility from the options. When the visibility is set to private, the template will only be visible to the creator. In the description section, write the template content. By default, the Markdown editor will be selected, and you can format the template content using the options provided. You can switch to the WYSIWYG editor. If you want to watch a detailed video on how to format article content, follow the link provided in the card above. You can also find a link in the description below. Then, click the Save button. The template will be added and listed in the Article Templates section. Next, let's move on to managing article templates. In this section, I'll show you how to edit and delete them. There are two places where you can edit or delete templates. First, on the List page. Click the More Options icon on the template you want to edit or delete. Second, on the Template Details page, select and open the template to be edited or deleted. Then, click the Edit button to modify the template content and click Save to update the changes. To delete the template, click the Delete button. Finally, let's see how to use article templates to create or edit articles. There are two options: use this template and import the template to edit or create. To initiate article creation directly from a template, click the Use this template option on the template listing page and the template details page. You will be directed to the article creation page with pre-filled template content. An alternative way to use an article template is by using the Import Template option on the Create or Edit article page. Click the Import Template option, and a pop-up screen will open with a list of existing templates. Note that the templates listed for import are based on the article editor type only. For example, if the article's editor type is Markdown, the user can only import Markdown editor type based templates. Then, select the template you wish to import and preview its content. To replace an existing article content with the template content, use the Replace option. Additionally, you can use the template content along with the existing article content with the Import option. The template content will be populated in the article creation or editing page where you can update its content and save it as an article. Let me summarize. In this video, I demonstrated how to enable the permission required to create and manage an article template. I also showed you how to create a knowledge base article template and how to manage and use them. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.